What's the meaning of bowlful? Bowlful. Bowlful.
Bowlful. Bowlful. The word bowlful refers to the amount of a substance that can fit in a bowl. Depending on the size of the bowl, it could be a small or large amount. The result of using this term is that it provides a casual and imprecise way of describing an amount, as opposed to using specific measurements. It is often used in reference to food, such as a bowlful of soup or cereal. This term also adds a sense of comfort and familiarity, as eating from a bowl is often associated with cozy and relaxing situations, like a warm bowl of soup on a chilly day.